Hello, welcome back to another video. So today I want to use this opportunity to motivate whoever is watching this video that you can start your business right now. You can start your side hustle right now. You can start that business that you have been meaning to start all this while. You can start it right now because I am enjoying this my side hustle. Okay, hadn't been because of this side hustle, I wouldn't be able to do a lot of things. Okay, because your salary is not enough, my salary is not enough, so we gotta be doing something in addition to our monthly payments, in addition to our salaries. Okay, so this is my Thom Browne business that I have been doing for some time now. Okay, so I just want to show you clips of my business. So I have a couple of Thom Browne recipes that I do for my customers. I do all the work by myself. I do all the toasting. I do all the hard work of going to the grinding mill to get it all into that smooth powder that you always see. Okay, and I have videos of all of them. So I am a nurse in Ghana, and of course my salary is not enough for me and my family, so I do extra work, which is some small scale business that is supporting me and my family. Okay, so I'm just here to show you clips of what I do as my side hustle and just to motivate you. I know you have been meaning to go on that vacation that you want to go, but then your salary is not enough. You've been meaning to take your kids out on the playgrounds, but you aren't able to do that because you don't have a supporting job, or you don't have anything that can support your salary for you to be able to do that for your kids. And I want to motivate you. I want to tell you that please start that business that you've been meaning to start. Okay, just start it. Okay, if you start a small scale, by the time you know it is going to grow into a very big business. Okay, and it's going to go a long way to help you financially. It is going to help you financially. Yes, so as you know guys, nursing in Ghana is not easy, and the amount of pay that nurses receive usually is not correlating with the cost of living in the country. Everything is expensive. So by the way, this is Tamale Teaching Hospital, and that is where I work. Okay, so doing Thom Browne has been a blessing to me for a very long time now. I just want to tell you that you have to start the side hustle that you want to start. Just start it right now. Just start. Don't just postpone. Don't postpone it again. Please start it right away. Okay, as for Thom Browne business is very lucrative. You can watch my videos on how to produce Thom Browne, different type of Thom Browne that I've been producing. Okay, you can watch all my videos on Thom Browne business. Thom Browne is very lucrative. You can start it. I am not greedy. That is why I'm showing you the recipes of how to produce it. Okay, so usually I produce my Thom Browne myself and I sell it sometimes to families, and sometimes if those who want to also sell, I produce in large quantities for them. Okay, for them to package the way they want to package and then sell it to their customers. So I do just for families and also for business. Okay, yes, Thom Browne is very healthy for everybody. Okay, including children, babies after 6 months. Okay, babies over 6 months of age. Okay, can take Thom Browne. I have this special Thom Browne that includes coconut in it. It is very delicious and very healthy for you, for your baby, and the whole family. So you can watch the video of how I produce that Thom Browne. Okay. Also for stay-at-home moms who are not doing any job or any kind of work, you can start this side hustle. Okay, I have a list of side hustles that stay-at-home moms can do to help them, okay, to make them financially stable. Okay, and the video is on my channel. You can check that. Yes, and this is how I package my Thom Browne for my customers. They usually like it in this kind of container. Okay, in this kind of measurement. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this motivates you to start your own business, be it Thom Browne or any kind of business at all. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye. Please subscribe. Bye.